going on, guys? So I am trying to put a little something in my dash for indicator lights today, and need something for turn signals. Don't need it, but that's what those holes are there for. So I got these little LEDs. It'll go nice, little flush mount black LED, and then I got let's see, I drive my car on the street, or at least I'm trying to, so I got a little blue one for high beams, and then I got 3 red ones, and these are going to be, so they'll all go right down the center here, and I'm going to have one for my line lock, one for my secondary fuel pump, and another one for my 2-step, so that'll know when all of those are active. So I'll have just some little indicator lights right here in the middle. So that is what I'm going to do. I'm going to measure them all out and make sure that I space them nice and neat, and then I'm going to drill some holes and get it going. Alright, so I ended up having to wire in all of these lights to either the 12 volt or the negative switch source. So like for the headlights, there's a positive wire down here that came from the factory harness. So I wired that LED into it. So the 12 volt that says, hey, the blinker's on, goes to the light, and then I have a ground that's just a common ground. Then on some of the other ones where they're switched by negative, like my which one switched by negative? Sorry, my 2-step and also my secondary fuel pump. So those are switched by negative, so I had to give it constant 12 volts from the harness here, and then wire in the negative to each one of those there. Turned out pretty darn good. Alright, so there we go. I think it looks pretty good. Let me get the, here, I'll shove a screw in there so it stays up. There we go. And we got blinker, brights. There's the line lock and the 2-step. I like it. I think it turned out really good. So these LEDs are a little bit more expensive. These ones were what were they, like 18 bucks for a 3-pack of them, if I remember right. They're a little on the expensive side, but they're well worth it. Most of the other ones had terrible reviews, and I didn't want to go with something I was going to have to do twice. So here we go. hopefully first time's a charm, and we'll just leave it at that. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Hopefully you like that. I've been meaning to do that for a long time. I just couldn't find the right LEDs. I'm pretty dang excited. I like it. Pretty dang sweet. They're a heck of a lot better than nothing. So I can't even tell you how many times I left my blinker on and just drive, not even knowing, because I didn't have any indication on it, but at least now I do. So that'll be cool. And then being able to have just like a visual when I know, hey, your line lock's on, or hey, your 2 steps on, that'll be pretty sweet too. So thanks for watching, guys. Have a good one. See you later.